Adding brake flanges in automet allows us to break up a spool into smaller sections. This is useful because automet saves the whole system as one file and automatically creates a separate file for each part of the system. These parts can then be surveyed individually. Add a brake flange by clicking the X in the lower bar or by right-clicking in the schematic and selecting Add Brake Flange. When adding a brake flange, you will see this options box. You can choose before, between, or after. These allow you to choose where the brake will go. Before and after mean before or after the pipe which you've added to the previous flange. You can also add the gasket size. Here is an example of what the spool looks like when using before. Here is an example of what the spool looks like when using after. Between allows you to add in a distance of pipe that comes after the brake flange. Here are all three examples. In this system, we have added two elbows. We choose to put a brake flange in between the elbows. We have been given a warning because we can continue to add the brake flange by checking the Confirm warning box. If you want to add spaces where, for example, a valve is sitting, you can add a brake flange. The brake flange size will follow the size of the pipe. Here the brake flange is the same size as the pipe reduction.